Good morning, traders. Nick Massandreo, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Wednesday, May 14th. It's approximately 6:25 a.m. on the East Coast. Apologies for the tardy arrival of this broadcast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia closed mixed, with about half the exchanges closing to the upside and the other half closing to the downside. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside. In the U.S. futures are overall pointing to a downside open. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of U.S. dollars trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. It's been pretty much trading higher all morning long. There is correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as this riding. Financials in terms of the bonds, in fact, the entire bond universe, regardless of whatever instrument you look at, is all trading to the high side. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a lower open. Metals in terms of gold is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. In fact, the entire precious metal universe is all trading to the upside. If we were to take a look at economic news that's on the docket for the U.S. markets today, at 8:30 a.m. we have PPI, core PPI. These are major reports. These are potential market movers, if you will. And they have the capacity and capability of changing market direction. So that is something to be mindful of trading today. At 10:30 a.m. we have the crude oil inventories. And for the U.S. markets, that's pretty much it. All in all, our bias is to the downside today. And the reason why we're suggesting this is for a number of reasons. First and foremost, all of Europe is trading to the downside. So clearly that's a factor. But the other aspect that comes to mind is bonds are trading at sky-high levels. We've been doing this for quite a while now, and I don't think I've ever seen the bonds go up by 20+ ticks, in less than one session, which gives me an idea that bonds are basically the safe haven if the markets themselves are not doing too terribly well. The other aspect of it is that the indices themselves, at least the futures at this hour, pointing down, and gold is also appreciating quite rapidly. All in all, this is a setup for, in my opinion, for a downside bias, if you will. Could this change? Absolutely. This PPI, core PPI, can come out at 8:30 a.m. and change everything. So it's something to be mindful of if trading today. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.